You won't find nobody better than I. Who better than Kai? Rhetorical, don't need no reply. Nah, I'm sensual caramel with a touch of butter. Best of both worlds, sophisticated in them gutter.
Hi guys, it's Kyreeka. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell right next to it so you can be notified every time your girl uploads a new video, which is absolutely every week. That's twice a week you get to see me and gonna give this video a thumbs up because you know it's gonna be lit. We get to on and popping. We keep it what? Keep it rocking. We ain't stopping. Alright y'all, so in today's video, y'all know your girl is on this feminine thing, and I know y'all tired of hearing me say it, but I am. Y'all know me. I'm a bougie chick with a broke chick budget. So I like to find designer inspired dupes. Not the replicas. I like the dupes, the ones that look like the real thing but don't actually have the label of the real thing. With that, I bought a ton of bags that are inspired by Bottega Veneta. If I'm pronouncing it right. I love the brand Bottega. I like the looks of their bags. I like their shoes. I have multiple shoes that I've gotten that have been inspired by Bottega Veneta, and girl. So I want to show y'all a few of the bags that I have. I don't know if you ladies are into like the fashion like me, but girl, if you're on this feminine thing and you're trying to step up your cookies like your girl is, I'm here for you, sis. I gotta know what I meant. So yeah, I want to show y'all these bags. I think they're really cute. It's not many, but it's a couple. With this first one, now girl, this is a lilac purse and it is really cute. Now I have some shoes that are the same color of this bag, but how cute is this? This is so freaking cute. I freaking love this. If I say freaking one more time, y'all slap me. But yeah, I love this. Not too fond of the chain. I really wish it was one of those bags that had a short chain, but I'll make it work because I like clutches. So I probably would carry it as a clutch, or I probably would put the chain on it and just have it in a way that it'll, you know, kind of like finesse it to look like it's a short chain bag. Or I probably will find a smaller chain that'll work well with this. But yeah, this is really cute. And then I have another one that's in lime green, and I only got this because I've noticed that I don't have any lime green bags. This is really pretty. I don't know what I would wear this with. Maybe like something, I don't know, like a neutral tone. Since this bag is so like out there and so loud, I would probably put this with a neutral tone. I'm telling y'all, fashion, when it comes to clothes, I can put an outfit together, but as far as my shoes and stuff, it can be hard for you, girl. I be struggling sometimes when it comes to my shoes and my bag, but eventually when my brain gets to flowing, I'll put something together. But this is really cute. I have to just, you know, think hard about what I would put it with. This bag right here is actually one of my favorites. I've seen multiple girls have some bags like this, and I thought it was really cute. I like it this way. I like the way you can carry it this way. This looks really bougie because girl, this right here, this pearl chain is what drove me to this bag. This is so freaking cute. Of course the quality is not all that, but who gonna be all up on your purse to know how the quality feel? This is very light, so girl, be careful, because if you pull a little bit too tight, you might tear something. This is really cute. I love it. It looks so freaking cute. This will make any outfit that you wear, just it'll step up your game. If you got on a basic outfit and you put this purse right here with it, girl, it's gonna take your outfit from a 0 to 100 real quick. This is bougie 101. Bougie brand. Now I also have a white bag. It's not quite like those first bags that it's kind of like those first bags that I have, but not exactly the same. The blocks on this one are a little bigger, and this one looks most like the Bottega bags because of how like big the blocks are, and that's what made me like these. The chain as well to this bag I love. Not this one. The chain as well to this bag I love because this is what I like about the Bottega bags as well. The chain that comes on the Bottega bags, they're just like, to me, they're just like next level. I freaking love the way that they look. This one right here, of course, it just looks like the Bottega bag, so you're not actually, you can see that this is not quite like the quality of a Bottega, but girl, it's gonna give me the feel of it. Like it looks like it. It's way smaller than a real Bottega. Well, they got some smaller ones like this, but the ones that I like are kind of like bigger than this, but these are the only ones that I really could find that gave me the look. But this is damn close to what I like when it comes to those Bottega bags. This is really, really cute. It's not as small as it looks on camera, because holding it in my hand and seeing it on camera kind of looks really, really small, but it's not that small. From the looks of it, like it looks like luxury. It looks, you're gonna get the look that you're going for when it comes to these bags. This is another one. This is a tan one, and I got this one because the same reason that I got the rest of them. I like the look of it. I really wanted the tan one and the white one, and it has a chain as well. This chain is not what I expected though, but I still like this bag. It's really, really light, but it's really, really cute, and I love this detailing right here. This is really, really pretty. It just adds to that, you know, it gives it that luxury look. So yeah, next I have this bag right here. This is so freaking cute. I don't know if this is inspired by any of the Bottega bag. I'm sure it is because it has that Bottega look, but this is really, really nice. Like this is bougie. This is really, really bougie. I love this bag. I love this, the way that you carry it, and I know it comes with a chain as well, but I don't like chains because they be too long for me, so I'm really just gonna carry it like this. This is so cute. This is everything to me. This type of block right here, I've been looking for some like block bags like this. I didn't quite want that part on there, but girl, it's still cute. It's really, really cute, and I only got the black because when it comes to certain outfits, I feel like this one is gonna be nice, and the certain black bags that I have, the type of black bags that I have don't quite go with every outfit that I be having in mind. So this one right here is gonna be perfect for whatever outfit that I have in mind at the time that I'm wearing it, if that makes sense. I also have a yellow one. This one is much, much better quality than that black one. This one like is quite heavy. It's like the same look of that black one. It's like they use better material or something, because this one is kind of like, this has a little bit of weight to it versus that black one that wasn't really like, it didn't have much weight to it. This one is really one that I know I spent like $18 on this one. I have the price of all these bags on the screen, but I know this one was the most expensive that I paid for. I think this one and the last one that I'm gonna show are the most expensive that I paid for, but I thought it was really, really cute, and it just kept calling my name, and I really, really wanted it. So girl, I had to go ahead and get it. And lastly, girl, this one is not a Bottega inspired one. I just saw this bag and I thought it was really, really cute, and I just bought some earrings that kind of looks like this, and I was like, I see this bag, I got the earrings, so let me go and get that. I'm gonna snatch that up. I'm gonna snatch that up. This is really, really cute. This one is one of those better quality purses as well. I hate that they stuff these bags with all this stuff in it. I really do like this chain, and y'all know I'm not feeling chains, but this chain on this one is not like a regular chain. It's not just a basic chain. It has much more detailing going on to it. So I like this. I would actually wear this chain on this one because of how it looks. It's not just basic, and it's not one of those just like scrawny chains. Like, I can work with this chain, but I really love this one. This one is my second favorite. Well, kind of like It's kind of like up there with that yellow one. They're probably like neck and neck. But this one right here is really, really cute too. Like, I love this. I love this. I don't know what I'm gonna wear this with, but girl, it's gonna be a whole vibe. It's gonna be a whole vibe, period. Girl, we stepping up our cookies. We stepping up our cookies. Might not be for 2021, but it's gonna be for 2022 because 2021 almost over. You still can live, I can still live my best life for the rest of 2021. So I'm coming, I'm trying. But those are all the bags that I have, y'all. Let me know your favorite bag if you're into these type of videos. I really just do these type of videos for myself because I like this type of stuff. So that's why I do these type of videos. These kind of like just be videos for me. If y'all not into them, girl, I just do them for me because I really like them. So yeah, that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me some sites that you shop on that I can go check out because, girl, I'm trying to, I like shopping. I don't know why, because I need to be budgeting, but I like shopping. I got a problem. I got a straight up problem that I need to be fixing. But yeah, it is what it is. That's it. Love you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.